Hi students, welcome to a new class. So today we are going to learn the parts of the house and some furnitures that are inside them. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start with this part of the house. This is called the living room. You can remember this because you live most of the time there. So the living room. There we learn some parts, some furnitures. For example, here we have the sofa, this is the armchair, and this is the television. Okay, next. So here we have the kitchen, where you can cook, prepare your food, your breakfast, etc. Here we have this is sink, this is a stove, and this is a fridge. That's right. Now, we have here where we dine. This is the dining room. Here we have a table, chair, and a window. That's right. Now this part is called the bathroom, where you can take a bath, the bathroom. Here we have shower, the toilet, and a mirror. Then my favorite part of the house, where is always a bed. It is called the bedroom. So we have the bed, maybe a closet, and a door. Very good. Now this garden. Here we have a tree and some flowers. That's right. In the garden you can play with your friends, with your brother or sister, and it's very cool. Now the last part of the house. It's called the garage. In the garage you can keep a car. That's right. Okay, now so let's practice the pronunciation of the parts of the house. And let's remember the vocabulary learned. So this part, where you live most of the time, this is, yes, the living room. That's right. This, where you take a bath, the bathroom. Excellent. This, where you can cook, the kitchen. That's right. Here, where you have flowers, tree, and you can play with your friends, the garden. Excellent. This, where it's always a bed, the bathroom. Where you can dine, the dining room. Where you can keep your car, the garage. And this is the house. Very good. Okay, now let's remember the furnitures. So we have here, do you remember? This is a window. Very good. This is a door. That's right. What about this? Bed. Excellent. And this is a closet. Very good. I don't know if you can appreciate it. Yes. Now, what about this? Stove. This one, sink. That's right. This, the fridge. Excellent. And this is the television. That's right. We have it. Okay, now, this one. Table. That's right. The sofa. Very good. Chair. And the armchair. That's right. This one. Toilet. The mirror. Car. And a shower. What about this? Tree. and flowers. That's right. Now I'm going to present you some people. This is Anna and this is Mario. We are going to learn where are they. So, where is Anna? What part of the house is that? Yes, Anna is in the living room. That's right. Okay, so she's in the living room. Now, where is Mario? You know? He is in the dining room. Excellent. Where is Anna now? Yes, she's in the bathroom. Very good. Now, where is Mario? My favorite part. He is in the bathroom. Very good. Okay, now let's guess. Where is the stove? Do you remember where is it? It is in the kitchen. Yes. Where is the car? The car is in the garage. That's right. Where is the toilet? Where is it? Which part of the house is? The toilet is in the bathroom. Okay, now it's time to draw your house and the parts of the house. Then you have to share your draws with your friends. You have to work in partners and you have to ask the other questions like where is the toilet? And the other have to answer the toilet is in the bathroom. Where is the table? The table is in the dining room. And then you have to present to all the class your draw and your favorite part of the house. That's all. See you later.